Let's take a look at how Klevu customers are leveraging Elastic Path Studio to optimize campaigns with hyper-relevant, no-code, shoppable landing pages. To get started, visit the Partner Apps and Connectors section within Klevu Merchant Center. Upon clicking here, visit the Elastic Path Studio configuration page. Here there will be provided guidance for 3 steps to get you up and running so that you can reduce customer acquisition costs by up to 35% and increase customer lifetime value with personalized experiences. After clicking Get Started and then installing the Elastic Path Studio landing pages app, you will see Elastic Path Studio appearing in the left nav of your Shopify app. I can now jump straight into creating a new landing page, and all I have to do is click Manage Pages. Once I visit here, I'm brought right into landing pages. I have access to all of my storefront products and collections that I can work with, and we'll go and create our first landing page. I started a landing page here by putting in some lifestyle imagery as a hero image. I added some text here for a title. I went ahead and enabled A/B testing so I could have a variant to this that I could test against. But now I need to finish the rest of this page. I want to add in the product that we're going to be launching. That's our videographer product. And so I just turn on the product component. I search for videographer. I select it. I can style this if I like by maybe adding in a background image behind that. And now what this page really needs, though, is some additional recommendations. My shoppers that are invited to this campaign may find that a different product resonates best with them. And I want to make sure I serve up relevant, intelligent recommendations from Klevu. So the product recommendations component is already wired up to Klevu. All I have to do is, if I like, I can go ahead and turn on a banner here that says you might also like. It's by default bringing in the trending products algorithm for recommendations, but I can select from 4 other predetermined algorithms if I like. And again, these will instantly update based off of the responses I get back there. And if I like, I can go ahead and preview this page to say what it's going to look like. I click preview, and now I can see my banner. I add the cart button. You might also like. I can visit these pages and see that they're shoppable here. And so again, I clicked on that first snowboard. The second one is the 3P fulfilled snowboard. And what's happening here every time I click on those is we're sending signals back to Klevu to inform the algorithms on what is performing best on the site. That allows me to then visit the live view. And I can see here that in California, there's some traffic that's coming from me. And then we have some top products, the oxygen, and then just right after that, the 3P shows up here in real time. So now I get some idea on what type of traffic I'm driving. Let's go ahead and close this preview. And let's suppose I want to refine this and start to harness the full power of that Klevu Merchant Center. In this case, I'm going to then change to the KMC recommendation. And now I need to provide the ID of a Klevu recommendation. So here I have already started a recommendation. I've provided some of the parameters. You can see I've limited to 4. I've set up a rule here. We can take a look at this rule. What I did is I pinned 2 particular snowboards and then limited the rest of these to a filter by brand here. So as long as they come from the hydrogen vendor, then they'll be included. So now I can, again, make these more intelligent, more informed based on what I know. And upon doing so, I would come back into my component, provide that ID, and it updates in real time. Now I can see those different set of products being served up here. All I have to do is publish my changes, and now I have a live landing page at this URL ready to go to jumpstart my campaign, drive higher conversions, and again, hopefully serve up to our shoppers items that are going to be of the most interest to them.